Welcome to the RV Kitchen. Today we're cooking sausage and broccolini skillet. Today we're cooking sausage and broccolini skillet. It's a great one-pan meal, so easy on the dishwasher, very flavorful and quick to make. So let's go inside and see how we do it. For our equipment today, you're going to need your cutting board, a 10-inch skillet or a pan around that size with a lid, a spatula or tongs, and your chef's knife. Our ingredients are a couple of mild Italian sausages, some cherry tomatoes, fresh thyme if you have it, half a yellow onion, a bunch of broccolini, and from your pantry, garlic, olive oil, butter, salt and pepper. So let's get started on our preparation. Medium dice half an onion and finely chop a large clove of garlic. Trim the ends off of the broccolini, remove any leaves and then split the stems. This will help with cooking the stems so that they're not tough or undercooked. Lastly, use the fork to poke holes in the sausages, and this will prevent them from popping and splitting as they cook. Put your skillet over medium heat and add some oil to the pan to prevent the sausages from sticking. Cook the sausages until they're about 80% done, turning them to make sure they're brown on all sides. This should take around 12 to 15 minutes. Now add the onions and then the garlic and season with salt and pepper. Take the sausages out of the pan and slice into discs about half an inch thick, and then return these to the skillet. Add more seasoning to taste, allow the onions to soften, and next add the tomatoes, fresh thyme. Give everything another good stir to combine. Let this cook for a couple of minutes until the tomatoes begin to burst. If they need some help, you can press them into the pan with a spatula or the back of the fork. Now add the broccolini to the pan and cover for 2 to 3 minutes. Turn off the heat, add your butter and let that melt with the pan covered. You want the broccolini to start to be bright green. If you have company, it's a recipe that easily doubles and all you need is a bigger skillet. To serve, divide the skillet into shallow bowls and add a wedge of crusty bread, or if you made this for more than 2, take the pan to the table and let people serve themselves family style. And there we have it. Beautiful sausage broccolini for 2. I hope you enjoy this as much as we do. It's a regular on our menu, quick and easy to make, flavorful, and although it may look like there's a lot of ingredients, it's actually a very simple dish.